Supplements proven to improve exercise. Buffering agents. I'm proposing that the word fatigue be pronounced fatigue. Think about it. When you're really wiped out, don't your muscles feel like gooey fat or fatigue? In this video, I'm going to cover buffering agents that have been proven to improve exercise or sports performance by delaying muscular fatigue. Now, fatigue is multifactorial, but one of the biggest players is acid, which impairs muscle function and energy production during exercise. Starting with moderately intense exercise, anaerobic glycolysis begins providing a significant amount of the required energy. As a result, there's an increase in lactic acid, which quickly disassociates into lactate and hydrogen ions. The increase in hydrogen ions decreases the pH, or increases the fatigue, causing acidity inside the muscles. Bicarbonate and carnosine are two natural buffers that can neutralize the hydrogen ion or acid. But during intense exercise, you get overwhelmed in just a few minutes. Then acid levels increase and muscle fatigue sets in. Studies show that taking 0.3 grams per kilogram of body weight of baking soda or sodium bicarbonate by stirring it into a glass of water and drinking it 60 to 180 minutes before an intense workout or performance enhances the muscle's ability to buffer acid and delay fatigue. The delay in fatigue results in a 1 to 2% improvement in events lasting from 30 seconds to 10 minutes, like running 400 meters, swimming 100 meters, a 4K cycling pursuit, or rowing 2,000 meters. It can also help with interval or intermittent events, like many team and racket sports. Some studies indicate that it works, but not as well in trained compared to untrained people, and less so in women than men. Baking soda and water doesn't taste great, and taking all 0.3 grams per kilogram at once may cause GI problems, like gas, bloating, and diarrhea, which tends to be somewhat counterproductive to optimal sports performance. You can eliminate these effects by spreading out the bicarbonate intake into smaller amounts, taken in the 2 hours before the workout or performance. Another option is to load sodium bicarbonate in small doses over several days. Do this by taking 100 to 150 milligrams per kilogram in 3 to 4 doses per day for 3 to 5 days before the event or competition. This will improve the muscle's buffering capacity for 24 hours after that last dose. This will also reduce GI problems, and some studies indicate that it's more effective than taking a single dose 1 to 2 hours before the event. Another option is to supplement with the amino acid beta-alanine, which, along with the L-histidine already inside the muscles, will increase carnosine and its buffering capacity inside the muscles. Studies show that taking 1.5 to 2 grams of beta-alanine 3 times a day for 4 to 6 weeks improves those same intense events by 2 to 3%. A common side effect of taking beta-alanine is paresthesia, a tingly but harmless side effect that has nothing to do whether beta-alanine is working or not. Now, neither baking soda nor beta-alanine will help with performances less than 30 seconds, because in these cases not enough acids produced to matter. Also, it's best to try either one during training, and not at a time when diarrhea would be too dire. But with a little trial and error, you'll be able to find the amount and timing that will help you train a little harder and perform a little faster. As always, my answers come from peer-reviewed research.